Welcome back to another episode of Garbit Fishing. Today, all the way from Duro, Dummer, Ontario, we have Nick McLean. Ladies and gentlemen, last time out on Stony Lake, he managed to land a 5-pound smallmouth. Let's see if he can pull it off today. Second in the boat, Ernie Garbit, all the way from Selwyn, Ontario, the lower Buckhorn champion. Let's see if he can hold his title. Last time out on Lower Buckhorn, he managed to also land a 5-pound smallmouth. And finally, your host, Ivan Garbit. Been struggling the last few times out. Let's see if we can break this funk and get the lead. Today's challenge is simple. Your total length of all your fish throughout the day and the tournament ending at 2 p.m. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram at Featherhead3.
Good luck, everybody.
You gotta move in or move out, let me know. Water Icon. What are you using, Nick?
Pardon?
What are you using?
Icon. No, I know how to use it.
We're launching. He goes, I'm only using a jig today.
I didn't touch that rod once, did I?
Again. That's what it's like up at Nick's cottage.
Exactly.
Steve gets the boys up there.
We're all in bed by 10.
Oh man, that was crazy last night. 2 beers in, I was done.
That's a big night, though.
Hey, eating ice cream.
Holy.
Oh, nice one. That's a good one too. I'm not helping you. Don't lose them. There you go, first measure.
Sorry, I'm trying to get rid of it. Okay, simmer down.
All right, first one on the board. No, doesn't touch 16. Can't stretch it. 15. No, we're just doing down number 15.
Take a picture.
Holy, you can't delay me that much. Next on the board, 15.
Nick McLean's on the board, 15 inches. Oh darn, Nick must have found them.
No.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. That's all they ever say in that fishing. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, that's musky. Huge musky.
Yep.
That's a big one.
I'm probably going to lose your popper
Well,
on you.
keep him high. He doesn't know he's caught yet either.
You got your net?
Yeah. We gotta try and get that trim out of that thing.
Did you see the head on that thing?
Walk her up here. Here will be a minute. Nick.
Here, you want it? Yeah,
He's a minute, bud. That's a good one. I'll let you two battle it out. Yeah, just let him have it. There's not too much rock if you can keep him on this side.
No.
Oh, you go?
Yeah.
Oh, good try.
At least you saw it jump.
Sorry about your popper.
Oh, well, happens.
You hang on to that. Oh.
We'll let it measure. Nick McLean, number 2.
That's not even worth a measure.
Oh, we still gotta check it.
Inches, it's not.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, he's gonna get a delay game here in a minute.
Exactly. 10-minute penalty, sit down there.
There's another icon. 10.
You know what? We'll give it to him.
10 right on.
25. 2 fish. 25. Nick, finesse that one right over there.
On over there that I want. Oh, it'd be so nice. Yep. The TV in it.
Oh, nice jump in.
Oh, he's hooked up, folks. Oh, that's a good one. Wow.
Not bad.
Good. Cover down, Ivy. Too late.
Holy, just flips it in.
He don't care. He got the 3 fish at the back of the boat. He don't care. He don't care, they said. Amateur Rick Nick McLean.
Holy.
Again.
Another delay game, folks.
Add another 15 to the list.
Yep, another 15.
Warning. Rick McLean on fire, folks.
That's a terrible look set, but
Oh, it's gonna be a keeper. Open the hookers in. I'll be looking at about 12 inch there, folks. Could be 13.
Flip it in, Ivy.
Oh, off the side of the boat too. Danger.
Scratch it.
Nick, you have to do the measurement. No. You have to do it. Be legit.
we gotta get it on camera. He can supervise. Close the mouth, sir. 14.
14. Same fish. Sit her down. Sit her down, Flippy. Oh, right in the eye.
Oh, he's hooked up too. On that?
Good size one. Alright, you ready?
Oh, that's a good one. Well, we gotta wait and see it there, Nick. We gotta wait and see it. Holy, that thing's thick. You kill me.
Got a big belly on him, eh?
Yeah. Nick, you want to put yours on there so we can see it?
13, bud.
That's 12.
13. We're rounding up, remember?
No, that's 12.
Nick, you're 52.
Holy.
You're bigger.
You're at least 8. At least
19. We'll give you 19.
Get a picture of that.
Oh, one sec. We'll get that. Here, hold your fish. Pull it out more. And then do what Nick did. Just hold like sideways. They look huge when you do it.
Well, thank Jesus for that one.
Small baby Jesus.
Oh, baby Jesus for that one.
Back in the game, folks.
Lay flat. Come on. No, it's 14.
Sure?
Yes. It's this number here.
33?
Down it.
We really needed that one, folks.
There we go. Let's start the wheels out.
Yep. 13.
27.
Maybe another 13 more.
Saves the icon. Whoa!
Stay there, Fluffy.
Oh, 10 penalty.
Stay. Oh,
Hit.
yeah.
Almost loses the fish there, folks. 14. Yeah, 13's right. I almost gave you an extra one. 13.
65.
Rip. Trying to make a lock before they close. Nick tried to sabotage me there. If you've seen him hit my rod. We'll stretch him. I gave Nick an easy one earlier, so.
On the board.
Whew.
I get you 10.
There you go. There it is, Nick. 10.
Big 20.
What do you go?
Holy!
What do you go to?
I don't know, I gotta look. 30, 37, I think.
Holy.
Oh.
Keep them down. Keep them down.
Got it. It's no garbage fish, but that's a dandy.
Just sealed it up, folks. That looks like it might be a 17, 18.
Holy.
hook them good, bud.
All right.
65 plus.
Get my finger out of his mouth.
15.
15.
Oh, let's just clean it up. Long time coming.
Another 16 on the west.
Come on. Close your mouth. 15.
48.
Oh. Could have been it.
Oh, that's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations.
Nick McLean.
2 days in a row, folks.
Speech, speech, speech. Nick with 80 inches, Ernie with 48 inches, and myself with 37 inches. Nick, walk us through the day.
Slow start, slow start. It's a good finish though, good finish. Slow start, slow day for Ivan. That's okay. It's not very often for Nick, so take advantage of all I can. Thanks, Aaron, for having me too.